Hello friends, welcome to WikiTube channel, and in this video we will tell you a home improvement loan for the home you love. Earth is a very dynamic place. Nothing stays the same here and everything changes. So why would your house remain the same? Making changes to your home through repair or renovation is called home improvement. Plumbing and electrical work is the most common repair job. There are many issues involved in home renovation. You can use painting or mural paper to give your home a new look. You may want to change the interior of your home. New furniture can give new life to your home. Create separate rooms for growing children. He is not everything. The new design of the kitchen can make your wife happy. Before upgrading a home, the first question that comes to your mind is how to finance it. Now you don't need to worry about it. Banks, building societies and private lenders offer home development loans. Loans are made as per the specific needs of the borrowers. Payment terms can be adjusted according to your capacity. If you cannot afford to pay a hefty amount every month, you can spread the loan over a longer period so that your monthly installment amount gets reduced. The interest rate on a home development loan depends on several factors. The type of loan affects the interest rate. Secured loans carry lower interest rates than unsecured loans. Since secured loans are less risky for the lenders, they charge lower interest rates on such loans. Another factor affecting interest rates is the borrower's credit score. Borrowers with a good credit rating are charged lower interest rates than those with a weaker credit history. You can take a personal loan to upgrade your home. Personal loans are generally unsecured. Getting a personal loan is very easy. The growing demand for personal loans has given lenders a better business opportunity. Hence, lenders are always ready to provide personal loans. If you are a homeowner, you can use your home to get a homeowner loan. Homeowner loans can also be used to improve home. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe our channel so don't miss the upcoming videos.